Hello there, Helen here again, your wellbeing advisor. Now this video is all about our third eye chakra. So this is your sixth chakra and it is located at the point between your eyebrows, which is here basically. So this is called our third eye, as it's known as our inner eye. So when you close your eyes together, you can kind of focus on that point. And this is a place of our intuition and our kind of inner knowing. So this chakra governs our awareness, and the element of it is also light. So it kind of means to be able to see with our intuition, which helps us to see our way through situations and find our own inner wisdom that can really help us through like difficult situations. So it's often known as your psychic chakra as well. So there are people in life who have psychic abilities and their chakra will be really fully functioning in this, because it helps us to see beyond like just the physical world basically. It helps us to have an understanding of different elements. So if this chakra is not functioning very well, it can lead to things like having poor judgment in life. It can also, I found, lead to a real lack of concentration or ability to discipline yourself, or really feeling a bit stuck. So feeling stuck in life and like you don't really know what direction to go in. And in particular, it can often be career-based. So working on the chakra, if you're in any of those situations, is really important. The colour of this is an indigo colour, which is like a really dark blue with a purpley element to it. And like I said, the element is light. So colours really do help this chakra. So wearing indigo would be a fantastic thing to do. Having a meditation where you breathe in that colour would be great. Doing some relaxation and visualising different colours, maybe your favourite colours. Visualizing sort of your body filled with light would be really powerful as well. Doing things to work on your intuition, which is kind of your own inner seeing. So thinking, sitting and really feeling into your own intuition. What do you feel stuck with? You know, what areas of your life are you feeling stuck with? And perhaps ask, because our intuition is there, you know, it is inside us. So just by doing some relaxation and then asking ourselves an inner question of, what do I need? What am I stuck with? Perhaps why can I not concentrate, or whatever? You know, the answers will often come to us if we give ourselves the chance to do that. Now, the best thing for this chakra is meditation, and it really is the most powerful tool to help with this this chakra, because that gives us inner sight. You know, that connects us to our intuition. So by meditating, you are stimulating, you know, fully this chakra. And as I've said, I'm a meditation teacher. I love meditation myself. It has helped me immensely. So if you're interested in meditation, there are links to my website. There's contact details for myself. You can join an online class. You can have a one-to-one session with me. And also, essential oils are really good. So the essential oils that will help you with this chakra are patchouli, white sage, juniper, clary sage and frankincense. So good luck with this chakra. It's a really exciting one to balance, and get in touch with me if you need any more information.